Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut templates on your PC. So let's get started. So here we are in our PC, and from here we're going to go into our browser first because we would need to access the CapCut website. So we're going to go into CapCut.com/templates and hit enter right here. So once you do that, the next thing that you're going to do is make sure that you are logged in into your CapCut account right here. So if you don't have one, you can register using your Google account, and once you're logged in, then now you can use the templates that you want right here. So in my case, let's say I'll just be using this one right here. I think this one would be good, or maybe this one right here. So I'm gonna click on the template, and then from here click on use template, click on this one right here. And now from here, you can see it right here. So you can see the timeline right here. You have the video right here. So what you want to do is click on this button so that you can replace this video. Click on this button, click on it, and you can see it right here. You can show all files. But what we're going to do is that we're going to import the files that we're going to use. So for example, in my case, I'll just be using this. So I'm going to go drag it right here. But as you can see, let's just go and import this here. And make sure you're in the project, and we're gonna go and drag this right here, go just like that. Now it's now imported. Wait for it to load in uploading, and then we're gonna replace this right here. We're just gonna basically just drag this and drag this right here. And now, as you can see, it's currently loading. And let's just skip right here. Let's drag it again, and now it has finished uploading. And as you can see right here, we now have our clip replaced with our own. So we just have to wait for this. It's currently loading effects right here. So it's 93%. Let's wait for it to finish loading right there. So this is just a sample clip so that you can see. So yeah. And now it has finished loading. Then now we can play this. Let's see. And basically that is very easy. See, that is how you do it, on how you can use the templates. And now if you want to export or download this clip right here that you have used, is click here on export. And then from here you can just use the resolution. You can go for 1080p 720, or you can also edit your file name and click on export right here so that you can now download. And that is basically. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.